my beautiful friends, and welcome to Tailor Made Beauty by Kris. I am shooting this, it is like 8 o'clock at night, and for some reason I forgot to get the mail today, and I just went out there, and what's sitting in the mailbox? That's right, another Boxycharm. This is going to be the basic box for January, and honestly I think this is going to be the last one. I did a 6-month subscription. It's been fun. But I think maybe more of the stuff has ended up in my giveaway pile than I'm keeping, and I'm realizing I've got way too much makeup. So let's see what's in this box. Here's our cheat sheet. We'll just wait on that. The first thing, holy cow, this is an incredibly long box. And when I first saw it out of the corner of my eye, I thought maybe it was the Tarte, that mascara, Lights Action, I can't even remember. But there's, for one, I like it. I've done a review of it. Anyway, no, this is Dragon Beauty, so chalk it up for yet another brand that we've never heard of before. Okay, you get a sharpener, and there's a lip pencil in here. Finally, I got it out. Oh my gosh, I think this is the absolute longest lip pencil, any kind of makeup pencil I've ever seen before. And there we go. It's, honestly, it looks like a colored pencil. I'm sure maybe it's lovely on, there, that's what it swatches like. So, okay, and you know what? If they have valued this at anything more than about $15, it's completely ridiculous. What do they say? $18. You know, maybe if I'd never heard of it, I would feel better about it. This looks like, okay, I was gonna say this looks like Fenty packaging, but it's not. It's Context. What the heck? It is a matte lipstick. And I will tell you, pre-pandemic, I was not a fan of matte lipsticks. Since we're still raging in the pandemic, yeah, matte lipsticks have a new place in my wardrobe. Having said that, oh, well, that doesn't look like a terrible color, but I think it's gonna go in, you got it, the giveaway pile. Laura Geller, okay, at least a name I recognized, Spackle Skin Perfecting Primer. Now, is it just me? I mean, this is huge for a primer. This is 2 full ounces, right? 59 ml. And it says, farewell dry flaky skin, quench your skin's thirst with this 2-in-1 moisturizer and primer and save time on your beauty regime. All right, well, you know, it is that time of year where I could use a hydrating primer. I'm a little suspicious, but yeah, I'll give it a try. I see a palette here, so I'm saving that one for last. What is this? This is Dermalect? Dermalect. Okay, the tone-on-tone packaging is kind of nice, the shiny on the matte. It is Revitalite Eyelid and Dark Circle Corrector. Well, that sounds like a concealer to me. It's a 5-in-1 advanced treatment, specifically addresses serious dark circles, reduces the look of tired and puffy under eye bags, lift and tighten the appearance of droopy eyelids. Yeah, that all sounds, 1, too good to be true, and 2, not issues that I really have. So, one of y'all one day will find it in a giveaway. Let's just see some of these. That's a $59. No, I don't buy that. I think they just do that to bump up the value of the box. That Laura Geller Spackle, $32, and the matte lipstick, $20. And Wander Beauty. I don't own, do I own anything? I think I have a setting spray from Wander Beauty. And I've been curious about their palettes. Safety sealed for your protection. Thankfully my sewing scissors are right over there and I could grab a little one for opening this. That's nice packaging. Ooh, oh, all right. I will say that the first thing that caught my eye was right here, this flourish. Wow. There are some very sparkly shimmers. I feel like they're more than a shimmer, not quite a glitter. And then some beautiful mattes and a couple of just shimmers. You know what? Oh my gosh, for the first time in a long time, I got a palette I'm actually excited about. And you know what? That's not fair. That Violet Voss palette, I love Violet Voss's eyeshadows. They're amazing, and that Sunset palette was just gorgeous. So there you have it. Oh, this, the Wander Beauty says it's $42 MSRP on that. So I'm excited about that. I will try the primer, but the rest of it goes in the giveaway pile. Thank you so much for watching. I really, really do appreciate it. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.